Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find redemption code on Groupon. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find redemption code on Groupon, the first thing that you need to do is log into your Groupon account. To do this, simply head over and open up your Groupon application or open Groupon on your website, then simply sign into your account. Then once signed in, what you need to do is tap on your My Stuff icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, or in the website simply tap on the top right corner, which is your profile icon. Then once inside, what you need to do is find My Groupon options and tap on it or select it, and inside you'll see a list of deals you bought. Then what you need to do is open the deal, click the Groupon you want to use and select view voucher or view details. Then next step is to find the redemption code. Look for one of the following on the voucher page, like redemption code, voucher code, promo code, barcode or QR code for in-store use, and for online deals the code is usually a mix of letters and numbers, and for in-store deals you may only need to show the barcode. The next step is to check your email, which is optional. Open the confirmation email from Groupon. The redemption code is often included there as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.